often does someone get the opportunity to have a dream, have a vision, and bring it to reality? Hi, I'm Eileen Safran, the CEO and founder of The Gathering Place, and I have been grateful to have had the opportunity to come up with starting an organization and then having many, many people join that venture over the last 15 years. Here we sit going into our 15th year of service, and it is our feeling that we'd like others to hear the voices of those in the community that have been a phenomenal part of bringing us to where we are, of helping us fulfill our mission, of creating a niche in the world of cancer care delivery. I also was introduced to the integrative and complementary approaches to medicine that were becoming very much accepted and popularized, at least in the Midwest, in late 80s, early 90s. And I thought, what a great concept and tool to give people to help them lower stress and have the best possible opportunity to lead a qualitative life and bring some control back into their own lives by using the tools such as massage, Reiki, meditation, those kinds of things. Then the 10 years also that I was teaching at university hospitals and had a private practice, both of my parents were diagnosed 6 months apart with different cancers and died 3.5 years apart. And it was that experience that solidified to me the notion that the greater Cleveland area, as is true throughout the country, really at the time wasn't looking at the pieces and parts that had to do with healing the mind, body, and spirit. Oh my gosh. I'm very rarely speechless. However, there are times when someone will say to me, did you ever think The Gathering Place would have the number of facilities it has, would have delivered so many programs and services to the thousands of such diverse people that we have? It's hard for me to find the words, and except that grateful, deep gratitude. How often does someone get the opportunity to have a dream, have a vision, and bring it to reality, and then some? Again, I think that one of the things that really has helped me tremendously throughout, from the very beginning, is that I've had the good fortune of surrounding myself with people who have what we call the X factor, and it's very hard to describe that except to say that the humanism of them oozes out of their pores, and B, those people are the people who know as more than I do, or know what I don't, or can enhance who I am, and give me the opportunity to help bring out the best in the people around me, which has been really another wonderful piece of the journey for me, is the opportunity to help be able to help people be the best they could possibly be at what they do. Our plan is to be here for the future for those who have yet to be diagnosed with cancer. And it's my hope, after you get an opportunity to hear all these voices, that many of you will also become even more a part of our caring community. And I thank you so much for the opportunity.